What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So I've really been enjoying making these square bill crankbaits, and so I decided in this video I was going to show you how I painted this baby bass pattern on this wooden crankbait. So what I really like about this paint job is that it shows off the natural grain of the wood, and that's really what I was going for. So stick around and I'll show you how to paint it. To start, I have this crankbait that I carved by hand, and the first step is just to put painter's tape on the bill. So the next thing I'm going to do is paint the belly white. The main reason is just to hide where the hook hangers and the weights went. So the next color I'm going with is an olive green. My main goal is to cover the back completely and then just to slightly fade it down to the side, making sure not to cover up the middle part because that's where I want the grain to show. So for the next step, I'm going to use black to darken up the green on the top and towards the front of the crankbait. The next color of choice is gold. What I'm doing here is using mesh to mask the lure and give it a scale effect. So once the paint is dry, I can take off the mesh and see the final product. That's looking pretty dang good to me. So next I'm using the template I made from duct tape to paint the lateral lines on the side of the bait. So I decided I want some scales on the bottom of the bait as well, so for this I'm just using pearl white, and I'm using the same technique as I did for the gold scales on the top. So I usually don't do this, but I decided I wanted to put a little bit of red on the end of the crankbait just to make it stand out a little more. I don't know about you guys, but I think it's looking pretty good. So the last step is to put on the eyes, apply the clear coat, add the hooks, and she's ready to be fished. Yeah. Thank you guys for sticking with me today in this video. I really appreciate it. Please consider liking and subscribing. Super easy. It's free. You can do that right here. And you'll never miss when I make cool little doodads like these. Okay, now you can